Have you ever wondered if your finances are actually healthy or if you're just getting by? Just like our physical health, our financial health shows signs when things are going well and warning signals when something needs attention. The problem is, many people ignore those signs until they face serious financial stress. In today's video, we're going to break down 5 signs of good financial health and 5 warning signs of poor financial health so you can quickly evaluate where you stand and what you can improve. Let's jump in. Signs of good financial health. First, let's talk about the signs that your financial health is strong. Number 1, you live below your means. This means your spending is less than what you earn. Instead of using every dollar that comes in, you leave room to save, invest, and prepare for the future. Number 2, you have an emergency fund. Financial experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. This safety net protects you if something unexpected happens like a job loss, medical expense, or car repair. Number 3, you pay your bills on time. Consistently paying bills on time improves your credit score and keeps you from accumulating unnecessary fees and interest. Number 4, you invest for your future. Healthy finances go beyond saving. Investing allows your money to grow over time through retirement accounts, stocks, or other wealth-building strategies. Number 5, your income is growing, whether through promotions, business income, side hustles, or investments. Growing income streams show that your financial life is progressing forward. If you're doing several of these things, that's a strong indicator that your financial health is moving in the right direction. Signs of poor financial health. Now let's look at the warning signs of poor financial health. Number 1, living paycheck to paycheck. If your entire income goes toward bills and expenses with nothing left to save, it can create constant financial stress. Number 2, high credit card balances with no payoff plan. Credit cards can be helpful tools, but when balances keep growing and there's no strategy to pay them down, debt can quickly spiral. Number 3, no emergency savings. Without savings, even small, unexpected expenses can push people deeper into debt. Number 4, avoiding your finances. Many people avoid looking at their bank accounts, credit reports, or debt balances because it feels overwhelming. But ignoring the problem only makes it worse. Number 5, depending on debt to maintain your lifestyle. When loans or credit cards become the way you cover normal living expenses, it's a sign that financial habits may need to change. The good news is, financial health can always be improved. No matter where you start, small, consistent decisions like budgeting, saving, reducing debt, and investing can completely transform your financial future. Remember this. Your financial future is not defined by where you are today, but by the decisions you make moving forward. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can learn how to improve their financial health. And I'll see you in the next video.